Hello, we're here now in Bulacan and we're having a driving lesson right now. We have a driver right now. His name is Marco. Hi, Marco. Marco! My Marco, baby lang. Baby! Be, tingin! Who's my baby?
Wait lang, Beng, to drive. Di pa marunong.
So...
Who's my baby?
So, we got it right now. We're going crazy about it.
You smell good.
And your name is?
My name is Nathan.
Yeah, grade 1 student. Am I right? So, how are you right now, Nathan?
How are you? I'm fine.
How are you? I'm asking you what your age. Answer me, you're fine. So, we're gonna make pagas. Pagas. Yeah, bonnet.
May binibili bang ano ron?
Ano po? Ano po, Manong? Ano po?
Wala. Walang inaano ron.
May binibiling ano lang, galong-galong.
Hindi. Bawal nga. Edad ka, ganun na lang. Para mas marami.
Malayo ba?
Ito lang. Option mo ba kailangan mo?
Gago ka. Oh, tayo na po. You know, something like... We're gonna make it a sound about some house.
Hindi ko nga maintindihan eh. Ang bihis magsalita eh.
What are you talking about? So, look at the
What's
place.
talking about, man?
Look at the place. We're in the desert. Desert here. Here's the place, man.
Parang sinasabi mong hold RD, parang iisa lang sa, parang tinatanong sa Tagalog na ano eh.
What?
Ilang taong ka na eh, parang ganun eh.
No, it's not the same. If I ask you what's your age, you know, how are you right now? It's never been different, you know, it's something like, never been. You know what I'm half American, half Japanese, so it's something like
Papa.
nationality. Well, so strange right now, something like, so sad day, you know, sad day right now.
Deja ba?
I'm a judgment right now, you know. How are you, Nathan? You're something like massive. What? The driver was speaking right now. So what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Mine? Oh my God! I'm gonna get so scared. Look at the. Ooh. Oh my God! I'm scared about the track. I don't want. You know, I can't. Yeah. You know, I don't want anything else about the sun going to
Pasok na.
go enter, okay, enter. Don't make pa cute on the phone. Don't make pa cute on the